Hey everyone, Chris over at AceVacuums here in Leesburg. Today we're talking about a particular Miele tool and what it is. It's called the Miele Parquet Twister. So this is a very nice tool. It's open-ended, so it allows you from suction from one end of the head all the way to the other. You can see the rivets in the power in the bristles here, so it allows that bigger dirt. So if you have dogs and animals, it allows that pet food, or if you have small children, Cheerios, crumbs all the time, big chunks of stuff, it still allows it to pass through while collecting and getting up all that fine dust particles. It's a nice little Swiffer style tool. They make these in both this version and then they have an XL version, which is a little bit bigger. So if you're somebody with a lot of hardwood floors or all hard floor surfaces, tile, linoleum, laminate, this is a great tool for you. And again, it's called the Miele Parquet Floor Tool. Hope you guys like it. Come by our store, come get one. Thanks.